Today we are in Kachri Chowk near Regional Business Office of Sambalpur State Bank of India. Here you see this is a signboard display by government. This is Odisha Sarakari Mudranalaya, that means Odisha Government Press. You see this is the branch office Sambalpur. But we got to know that this office has been closed down by the government, though it is a very important office, and renderings and giving and selling government diaries, government calendars and all government notifications, gazette notifications will be provided by the office. But the thing is that since few months it has been not working and it has been closed down. What is the reason behind it? That has not been explained by any authority. In spite of our sincere effort, let me go to that particular office and see the position, how the office is running. This is the way lead to that particular office, and there are the new buildings of State Bank that has been constructed just to the left hand side. Let I take you there. We have crossed this road. I came to this office. This is the office you see, and this is the signboard. They have displays Odisha Government Place Branch Office. They have mentioned that they have supplied all type of forms and everything. But you see, this is the office, and it looks like completely abandoned. Let me try to talk with the personals, any guard or any other watcher if available. And during New Year's, many people came here for the government diary, and they have returned from this center. And exactly what happened with this office, nobody knows. Let we ask what again. Some notice has been published there. Let we see what notice it is. They have published this to obtain all this diary and forms and other calendars. If anybody wants, so the online. Yeah, let's ask somebody. Dear friends, now we are talking with one Agasti Ghatia. He is the watchman of this office. आपका नाम क्या है?
अगस्ती पड़तिया।
अच्छा, आपने यहाँ पर वॉचमैन रहते हैं तो? वॉचमैन, अच्छा ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर क्या डायरी वायरी मिलता है अभी?
मिलता है सर।
डायरी अभी मिलेगा?
अभी तो ऑफिस बंद है सर।
आपने तो अभी बोला कि डायरी नहीं है यहाँ पर, सप्लाई नहीं हुआ बोले आप।
सप्लाई हो रहा है बट इस साल नहीं आया सर।
हाँ, अगला साल होता था, ये साल नहीं आया
क्योंकि ऑनलाइन में हो रहा है अभी।
अच्छा, ऑनलाइन में सब कुछ होता है, यानी आप यहाँ का ऑफिस में नहीं बेचते हो ना? ठीक है ठीक है। और आपने यहाँ पर कितना स्टाफ काम करते हैं?
2 स्टाफ।
2 स्टाफ। परिड़ा बाबू और कौन?
परिड़ा बाबू नहीं, वो आते हैं उराम बाबू, एक तो बड़ा।
अच्छा, मैं तो 2-3 बार यहाँ आया लेकिन वो बंद था। बंद रहता है ना?
जी, संडे का दिन में बंद रहता है।
संडे रहता बंद रहता है, बाकी हर दिन बंद रहता है। Whenever we come here, we found that this office been closed down, and while we are asking this gentleman, he is saying that this office become open on other day, but Sunday and any other holiday it is closed. But during the time of New Year, when he came to this office, we found that this office remained closed, and this person has been engaged. He is not permanent staff of government, he has been engaged, and you see this office is having very important role to provide all sorts of government forms and documents, diary, New Year diary, calendar, everything. But this office not been maintained, and it is look like a abandoned. It is their own buildings. We got to know that this is the Odisha Government Press own buildings, but you see this office is completely look like abandoned. So we urge the director of Odisha Government Press, let we function this office sincerely, appoint the honest and efficient staff to run this office, and for the interest of general people. Directors of Odisha Government Press should provide the diaries and others, calendars and all these things, so that the people ultimately been benefited. And this is only office in Western Odisha. So once again we urge the government of Odisha and district administration as well as the concerned department ministers and the director concerned of Odisha OGP, Odisha Government Press, to continuously open this office sincerely and engage a efficient staff so that this office will be run and people will able to purchase the needful forms, notifications, diary, calendar and others documents which has been provided by Odisha Government Press. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.